Sweden, a nation known for its neutrality, has long prioritized a strong national defense. This commitment is evident in their development of the Gripen, a fighter jet designed to meet the unique challenges of their geographical and political landscape. The Gripen's most striking feature is its ability to operate from rural roads, a testament to Sweden's innovative approach to air power. This capability is not just a novelty, it's a game changer in modern warfare, offering unparalleled flexibility and resilience. The Saab Gripen, meaning Griffin in English, is a testament to Sweden's engineering prowess. This multi-role fighter jet, designed and manufactured by Saab Aeronautics, is a marvel of modern technology. It boasts a sleek aerodynamic design optimized for speed and maneuverability, essential attributes in the ever-evolving landscape of aerial combat. The Gripen's advanced avionics and weapon systems make it a formidable opponent in any engagement, capable of engaging both air and ground targets with precision. During the Cold War, Sweden faced the constant threat of a Soviet invasion. Sandwiched between the Soviet Union and NATO, maintaining a strong defense was paramount. Sweden, however, adopted a policy of armed neutrality, choosing not to align with either side. This delicate balancing act required innovative defense strategies. One such strategy was the development of the BAS-90 system. The BAS-90 system, implemented in the 1980s, was Sweden's answer to the vulnerability of traditional air bases. This system dispersed military aircraft to hidden bases scattered across the country. Key to this strategy was the ability to utilize specially designed sections of rural roads as makeshift runways. These roads, reinforced to withstand the weight of fighter jets, allowed the Swedish Air Force to quickly disperse its aircraft, making them difficult targets for enemy strikes. Section 5. NATO takes note. The rise of Agile combat employment. The end of the Cold War did not diminish the importance of the BAS-90 system. This system, developed by Sweden, was designed to ensure that air operations could continue even if traditional air bases were compromised. It emphasized the use of dispersed locations and the ability to operate from makeshift runways, such as highways and small roads. This approach was revolutionary at the time and provided a significant strategic advantage. In fact, it has become even more relevant in today's security environment. With the advent of advanced missile technology and the increasing range and precision of these weapons, the vulnerability of traditional air bases has only grown. Modern conflicts require air forces to be more adaptable and resilient, capable of operating under a variety of conditions and from multiple locations. The rise of new threats, particularly in the realm of long-range missiles, has made traditional air bases increasingly vulnerable. These threats can strike with little warning and cause significant damage, potentially grounding entire fleets of aircraft. As a result, the need for a more flexible and survivable approach to air operations has become paramount. NATO, recognizing the effectiveness of Sweden's dispersed air power model, has shown keen interest in adopting similar strategies. The alliance has conducted numerous studies and exercises to explore the feasibility of implementing such a model across its member states. This interest is driven by the need to enhance the resilience and operational capability of NATO's air forces in the face of evolving threats. This concept, known as Agile Combat Employment or ACE, aims to enhance the survivability and flexibility of air forces by utilizing dispersed locations and unconventional operating methods. By spreading out assets and using a variety of launch and recovery sites, ACE reduces the risk of a single point of failure. This approach not only improves the chances of mission success, but also complicates the enemy's targeting efforts, making it more difficult for adversaries to predict and counter air operations. Section 6. A new era of cooperation. Sweden's role in NATO. Sweden's decision to join NATO in 2024 marked a significant shift in the country's defense posture. For decades, Sweden maintained a policy of military non-alignment, focusing on neutrality and self-reliance. However, the geopolitical landscape has evolved dramatically, necessitating a re-evaluation of this stance. This historic move was prompted by Russia's invasion of Ukraine, highlighting the changing security landscape in Europe. The conflict underscored the importance of collective defense and the need for robust alliances to deter aggression. Sweden's entry into NATO is a testament to the country's commitment to contributing to regional and global security. Sweden's membership in NATO not only strengthens the alliance's presence in Northern Europe, but also provides a valuable opportunity to share its expertise in dispersed air operations. The strategic location of Sweden offers NATO a significant advantage in terms of rapid deployment and logistical support in the region. Sweden's BAS-90 system and its experience with ACE concepts are invaluable assets to NATO, offering a blueprint for enhancing the alliance's air power resilience. The BAS-90 system, designed during the Cold War, allows for the rapid dispersal and operation of aircraft from multiple locations, making it difficult for adversaries to target them effectively. This system, combined with Sweden's advanced Gripen fighter jets, enhances NATO's operational flexibility and survivability. Furthermore, Sweden's integration into NATO facilitates greater collaboration and interoperability between Swedish and NATO forces. Joint exercises and training programs will enhance the readiness and cohesion of the alliance, ensuring that all member states can operate seamlessly together in times of crisis. This new era of cooperation marks a significant milestone in Sweden's defense policy and underscores the enduring importance of collective security in an increasingly uncertain world. Section 7, Highway to the Front Lines, demonstrating Agile capabilities. In May 2024, the Swedish Air Force conducted a live-fire exercise near Gothenburg, showcasing the Gripen's ability to operate from a highway. This exercise, witnessed by NATO observers, demonstrated the speed and efficiency with which the Gripen could be deployed and rearmed using mobile forward arming and refueling points, or FARPs. These FARPs, essentially mobile mini-bases, allow for rapid refueling and rearming of aircraft, minimizing downtime and maximizing operational tempo. Section 8, Securing the Skies, Sweden's contribution to NATO air policing. Sweden's commitment to NATO's collective defense was further solidified in March 2025 when it announced its contribution to NATO's air policing mission in Poland. This mission, aimed at securing NATO airspace in the region, saw Sweden deploy a contingent of Gripen fighter jets. This deployment marked the first time Sweden had committed fighter jets to a NATO operation outside its borders, underscoring its commitment to the alliance's collective security. At Section 9, a game changer in modern warfare. The Swedish Gripen, with its ability to operate from rural roads, represents a paradigm shift in air power. Unlike traditional fighter jets that require long, well-maintained runways, the Gripen can take off and land on short, unprepared strips. This capability significantly enhances its operational flexibility, allowing it to be deployed in a variety of environments, from dense forests to remote rural areas. This adaptability is crucial in modern warfare, where the ability to quickly reposition and respond to threats can make all the difference. It embodies the principles of agility, flexibility, and resilience, essential attributes in today's complex and unpredictable security environment. The Gripen's advanced avionics and state-of-the-art systems enable it to perform a wide range of missions, from air superiority and reconnaissance to ground attack and electronic warfare. Its ability to seamlessly switch roles makes it a versatile asset for any air force. Moreover, the Gripen's design emphasizes ease of maintenance and cost-effectiveness, ensuring that it remains operationally ready with minimal downtime. As NATO continues to face evolving threats, Sweden's innovative approach to air power provides a valuable model for enhancing the alliance's deterrent and defensive capabilities. The Gripen's interoperability with other NATO aircraft ensures seamless integration during joint operations, strengthening the collective defense posture. Its advanced communication systems allow for real-time data sharing and coordination, which are critical in complex multinational missions. By adopting such cutting-edge technology, NATO can better anticipate and counter emerging threats, maintaining a strategic advantage. The Gripen is more than just a fighter jet. It's a symbol of Sweden's enduring commitment to innovation and security, a commitment that now extends to the heart of NATO. This aircraft represents the culmination of decades of research and development, reflecting Sweden's dedication to maintaining a robust and capable defense force. As the geopolitical landscape continues to evolve, The Gripen stands as a testament to the importance of adaptability and forward-thinking in ensuring national and allied security. Its presence within NATO not only enhances the alliance's capabilities but also reinforces the bonds of cooperation and mutual support among member nations.